In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Sequences. If you're new to sequences, think of them as automated, personalized follow-ups that help you stay on top of outreach without losing the human touch. They let you line up emails and reminders so you can focus on conversations while HubSpot takes care of timing. Start by opening your HubSpot account and heading to the main navigation. From there, go to the sales area. This is your home base for outreach tools, and it's where sequences live. Once you're in sales, look for sequences and open it. You'll land on a dashboard showing existing sequences, performance metrics, and creation options. Next, choose Create a Sequence. At this point, HubSpot gives you a choice: build from scratch or begin with something pre-made. To move quickly and learn the structure, select Start with a pre-made sequence. Templates are a great way to see best practices in action, and you can always tailor them later. For this walkthrough, pick Event Follow-up as your example. It's a solid template designed for timely post-event outreach, which makes it perfect for testing how sequences handle multiple touchpoints, like a first thank you email and a gentle reminder. Selecting a use case template also gives you sensible default timing and content ideas you can adapt to your audience. Now click Create Sequence. HubSpot will open the sequence editor where you can review the structure. You'll see the timeline of steps, including emails and tasks, along with delays between them. This view helps you understand what your contacts will experience and when. Before you do anything else, give your sequence a clear, descriptive name at the top. Rename it so anyone on your team can instantly recognize its purpose. Something like Post-Event Follow-up, Q2, or Webinar Attendee Nurture. Consistent naming keeps your workspace organized, makes reporting cleaner, and helps you avoid duplicating similar sequences. When the name looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your setup and ensures your work won't be lost as you refine messaging or timing later. Keep in mind, saving doesn't send anything to contacts. It simply preserves your configuration so you can come back, review the steps, and adjust details with confidence. That's the core flow. Go to Sales, open Sequences, create a new one, start with a pre-made template, choose Event Follow-up as your example, create it, rename it for clarity, and save. With that foundation in place, you're ready to fine-tune content, and when you're confident, put it to work for your outreach.